The Lion and the Bird by Maria Ann Dubach. Lion is working hard in his garden when he hears a sound. Oh, poor little thing. Lion can't just leave him there. Let's bandage you up, says Lion. That will help. Oh no, they're flying away. Don't worry, you won't be cold here. You're welcome to stay with me. There's more than enough room for the both of us. Look, it's snowing. The snow is cold and icy, but you're snug and warm. They spend the winter together, enjoying each day. It snows and snows, but winter doesn't feel all that cold with a friend. Then one day, spring returns. And the others too. Yes, says Lion, I know. And so it goes. Sometimes life is like that. Lion's garden grows. Summer passes slowly, softly. Then one day, autumn returns. And how about you? Lion wonders. Maybe. Together, we'll stay warm again this winter.